Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two drones that have been making waves in the market. In the blue corner, we have the Bwine F7MINI Drones, and in the red corner, we have the DJI Mini 3. Let's dive right into the comparisons and see which drone comes out on top in each category. The first category we'll be comparing is the camera. Both drones offer impressive features, but let's see how they stack up against each other. Moving on to the next category, let's compare the battery life of these drones. Let's move on to the design category and see how these drones differ in terms of portability and aesthetics. Based on online reviews, here's the overall assessment of the two drones. And there you have it, the comparison between the Bwine F7MINI drones and the DJI Mini 3. While both drones have their strengths, it's clear that each excels in different categories. If you're looking for a drone with impressive camera capabilities, the DJI Mini 3 might be the right choice for you. On the other hand, if longer flight time is a priority, the Bwine F7MINI drones have got you covered. Remember to consider your specific needs and preferences before making a decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll be comparing two more exciting products. Until then, happy shopping and stay smart.